I thought that I was going to be up all night. Oh, Jake tried to sleep, but he was out like a light.
And that's good, because sometimes when you're scared, sleep is the only relief.
I feel horrible leaving him right now.
Don't do that. You wanted to spend the night with Cam and Aiden, and I'm sure Audrey's going to take great care of them.
Yeah. Hopefully Elizabeth makes a speedy recovery.
Yes.
Some wedding night, huh?
Stop. Any night with you is special, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you too, Mrs. Morgan. Want to head home? Let's go. Hey, what?
I know that's not where your head is at right now. You want to be checking on Elizabeth in the hospital, don't you?
You know, I wasn't planning on spending our wedding night in a hospital.
Well, plans change. Who knows that better than us, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Besides, you just promised to spend the rest of your life with me.
I did?
You did. And beyond, if it's possible.
Right.
I think I can handle one night apart. Just one.
One? Hey, you know that you are my #1 priority, right?
Thank you, and yes, you don't have to worry about me. You and Elizabeth are always going to be connected through Jake. She's going to have surgery. I think you should be there for both of them.
Thank you for being awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm awesome. Tell you what.
Back at you.
Let me walk you home.
You know what? I'm actually, I'm going to make a stop first. I have someone that I need to check up on, too.
Julie?